Welcome to
Toys.
Content Beats. Sabay tayo. Good. What's that? Basa mo pa siya mga feeling ko ulam ko. Day 1 in Baguio.
So, una naming pinuntahan ay yung Burnham Park. Tinry namin tong bike and ang napili namin is yung pang-apatan na may driver's seat sa likod. Mali nga kami nang napili kasi dapat sidecar na lang. Mas madali ata yung i-navigate kaysa dito. Feeling ko hindi siya ganun ka-balance. Tapos, ang bigat. So, ang ending, kami na lang ng kapatid ko yung nagpedal. Tapos, pinababa namin si mama kasi baka siya yung nagpapabigat. Kaya ang nangyari, bumilis na kami. So, yan. Tuwan-tuwa rin si Asia. Kasi medyo nakakalayo-layo na kami compared kanina. Eventually, sinukuan din namin, hindi namin na-consume yung 30 minutes. Nag-ikot-ikot na lang kami. After namin mag-Burnham Park, pumunta naman kami sa Dominican Mirador. Let me know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, pero yun kasi yung nakita ko dun sa welcome sign. Ang ganda ng place. Actually, puro siya pataas. Kaya lang, ayun nga, may kasama kaming bata. So, I would not suggest this place or this itinerary kapag may kasama kayong bata or seniors kasi definitely mahihirapan kayo kasi akyat baba siya. Pero if you're someone na mahilig mag-hike or looking for a great view, yung kita nyo yung buong Baguio, I would suggest for you to visit this place. Nag-take lang kami ng pictures sa view and then umakyat na naman kami. So ayan, makita nyo, puro hagdan talaga siya. As in, ng habang hagdan. Inabot na kami ng gabi, pero before we go back dun sa accommodation namin, we decided to eat at Good Taste. However, sobrang haba ng pila and gutom na gutom at pagod na rin kami kaya kumain na lang kami sa katabing parang Vietnamese na restaurant. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan pero so far, masarap naman yung pagkain nila. Hindi ko na nga lang na-vlog kasi sobrang gutom at pagod na. Pero thumbs up kasi ang daming servings and mura din siya.
Day 2 in Baguio. Good morning, good morning. So, hindi kami masyadong nakapag-vlog yesterday kasi pagod galing sa biyahe. Tapos, yung pinuntahan namin is more on walking. So, naka 6K walks kami yesterday. Kaya sobrang pagod. Ngayon, babawi tayo sa pag-vlog. I'll show you guys around. So, ngayon, nasan tayo ngayon? Ngayon, today ay nasa Mines View Park tayo. It's, what time? Anong oras na?
6:20.
It's 6:20 a.m. So, good morning.
Wow, Asia.
Good morning, Asia. Come here. Say good morning. Good morning. Where are you? We are in Baguio. We are in
Baguio.
Baguio.
Which place in Baguio? This way to view deck.
Wait, wait.
Wow, look at the view.
Of course.
The camera is not giving justice on how beautiful this view is. Sobrang ganda. Ay,
Look the house.
hi horses. Hi horses.
Sakay picture sa kawayo.
Cute, cute, mommy. Cute, Mami!
Hug.
Hug, Mami. Wait lang, almost na si Mami. Almost na ba? Love, love.
Wow. Ay, tiniram na tayo.
Wow! Salamat po. So, 10 pa pala ang open ni Grumpy Joe, kaya naglakad kami pababa. Medyo malapit lang, mga ilang walks lang siguro to away from Grumpy Joe. Tapos nakakita kami ng magandang cafe. Look. Ganda ng view. Maliit lang yung cafe, pero it looks nice. Tapos meron siyang maliliit na tent. Actually, nakita namin sa Google na maganda siya sa gabi. Pero since, yun nga, the original plan was to eat at Grumpy Joe, kaso 10 a.m. pa daw, and it's 8 a.m. pa lang, so, diba, sobrang tagal nang iintayin kaya ito. Dito na lang kami nag-stay. So, dito kami, yan. Yan, it's good for 6. Hi, Isha! That's good for 6 yun sa loob, and yun, no shoes allowed. Good for 6 persons. Actually, medyo maluwag pa siya. Cute. So, camping style ang peg niya. Parang maliit na tent. Yan. Ayun, so we're at the core. It's few steps away from Grumpy Joe. Ayun nga, sabi ko kanina, dapat doon talaga kakain. Sabi kasi sa Google, at 8 a.m. daw ang open ni Grumpy Joe. However, nandun kami ng mga 7:30 siguro. Tapos, closed pa daw. 10 pa daw yung bukas. Kaya naglakad-lakad kami. And then, ayun. Nandito kami. Sa the core. Let's hope na masarap. I'll let you guys know. This is what I ordered. Iced taffy, signature drink daw nila. So more on the sweet side daw siya. Let's try and taste. Also, I ordered their special tokwa. Tingnan natin kung anong special sa tokwa. Masarap naman siya, pero alam niyo yung taffy na chocolate or yung candy, yun yung in-expect ko na lasa. Pero hindi siya ganun. More on the caramel side siya. Though masarap pa rin naman. Try natin yung sisig. Di pala siya sisig. Tofu pala to. Food? What's that? Ano yan?
Ang galing yung pagkakagawa na ko.
Food daw siya. Oh. Flowers. Isha. What's that? So pretty? So pretty. Wow. Pretty. Okay, sit down, Isha. Go. Sit down, please. Kuha ka ng upuan naman. Ay, yung mga hindi nagalit. Dito na lang naman. Thank you. Mas noticeable. Smile.
After namin sa botanical garden, since sobrang init na kasi tirik na yung araw, pumunta muna kami sa accommodation namin to spend the rest of the afternoon. Tapos nung gabi na, pumunta kami ng SM Baguio to have dinner. Ang plano talaga namin is to look for an alfresco dining kasi maganda yung view outside, 'di ba? Tapos na-discover namin na majority pala ng kainan sa SM Baguio ay may alfresco dining. So while looking for the place to eat, nakita ni Asia tong Mary Grace, nakita niyang may palaruan sa loob. So pumasok siya. Tapos naglaro na siya. And syempre, ayoko naman palabasin siya dahil nag-enjoy na siya. Kaya doon na rin kami kumain. Sobrang big deal talaga sa akin kapag yung kainan ay merong something like this na pwedeng pagka-interesan or pagkaabalahan ng mga toddler. Kasi syempre alam naman natin kung gaano kataas yung energy nila, gusto lang nilang maglakad, tumakbo. So kapag may ganito, at least nadidistract sila and yung adults nakakakain ng maayos. So ayan, kita nyo naman, halos lahat ng laruan ginalaw niya na. Favorite talaga ni Asia ang stuffed toys, kaya sobrang natuwa siya nung nakita niyang madaming stuffed toys and pwede siyang laruin. Entertained talaga siya the whole time na kumakain kami. So thumbs up to Mary Grace for having this mini nook for kids like Asia. So after dinner, we decided to visit the Christmas village. Excited kami kasi meron daw artificial snow dito. And excited ako kung anong magiging reaction ni Asia while playing in the snow. Medyo nanibago pa siya at first kasi basa, 'di ba? So parang unusual yung feeling na may nahuhulog sa yung basa. Pero eventually na-enjoy rin naman niya at naglaro na rin siya.
Tawag.
Apay.
Yankos, yankos.
Ako, magiging best ka naman yan. Ano ang nangyari?
Stop na. Okay, sana.
Grabe energy ah.
8-8 nga. 8-8. Ano 8-8?
Oh, ha?
Ano 8-8? Day 3 in Baguio. Where are you? We're in Strawberry Farm. Are you excited to pick strawberries?
Why?
Yeah. Are you excited to pick some strawberries? Yeah. Are you excited?
Why? Why?
Can you show mommy excited face? Ding, 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 ding. Can you show mommy excited face? Can I see excited face?
Lalabas yung
Oh.
Oh no, sorry. I'm sorry. Ipit legs mo. Where's the strawberry? You'll see a lot of strawberries. And you'll see the big strawberry. What's that? That's a paint?
Saan? Ayun.
Painting.
Picture tayo.
We are in Strawberry Farm. Magpipick kami ng strawberries. So, punta kami ngayon dun sa kuhanan ng basket. Medyo, it's a long road from the entrance. Medyo malayo ang lalakarin. Hey, Sha, say hi! Say hi!
Hi! Hello!
Kargan ng lolo niya si Asia. Kasi, tingnan niyo yung daanan. Ganyan yung daanan. Medyo mainit, pero malamig yung hangin. So, okay naman siya. It's tolerable. Yan yung mga strawberries na patubo pa lang. Ganda ng view! Ang ganda ng view! Yan ang tayo. Ang ganda naman.
Hoy, siya, kami na.
Chris Farm.
Siya, kami na. Let's meet.
Ah, welcome to CK's Farm. Yan, so be careful guys. Kasi madaming putik. So kung naka-white shoes kayo, for sure, magdudumi. Yan yung mga strawberries na baby pa lang. Patuko pa lang sila. Asia!
Pwede na siya mag-walk?
Hindi, mahirap pa. Look at the strawberries. Dan, ayan ang strawberries. Okay.
Kita ka strawberry?
Come here, look, oh, may strawberries, baby.
Yung ano lang daw yung hinog lang
Yung red lang ang kukunin. The big ones lang. What's that? What's this? What's that? What's that? Strawberries. Wait lang. Can you count the strawberries?
1,
Here, oh, ito, oh, this one, oh. Big, oh. This one, the red. No, this one, the red one. This one. Get the red one. The red one only, ha? Red one lang. Oh, get the red one. Get, sige. Go. Ano lang po, no? Pipitasin lang po talaga, no?
May gunting lang.
May gunting. Kaya. Baby, ito. Hold mo to. Pahawakan mo tong bayan. Oh, Isha, hold the strawberry. Hold this one, the big strawberry. Hold mo, dali. Hold mo. Yay! Put it in the basket. Let's go. Ito pa, oh, baby. Oh, look, oh. Big, oh. Oh, hold. Hold the big strawberry. Oh, here. Put it in your basket. In your basket. Oh, wag ganun. Slowly lang. Ito pa, baby. Ito. Look. Here.
Basket.
Here, oh. Ito. Touch mo to. Ito. Hold mo, dali. Come here. Here, hold mo. Hold tight, ha. Oh, wait lang. Mommy will cut it. Oh, slowly lang. Put in your basket, slowly. Yay! Liga, let's get more. Liga, let's find more. Come here. Maliliit na ba sa red na puno? Yan, you want that? Okay, hold mo. Hold tight. Hold dito. This one. No, the red one. This one, wag yung small. Bawal yung small. The big one lang. Ito. Ito lang. The red one lang, baby. Red one. Hold. Okay. Put it in your basket. Yeah, you did it. Wag ganun. Slowly lang. Oh, pick it up. Okay, let's go. Let's find more. Let's go. Here, oh. Teka. Sabi niya, I want the small one. Sabi ko, no, just the big one lang. Yan, you want the red one. Ito, baby, oh. Bigger, oh. This one big, oh. Wait, mommy will help. Hold mo. Go. Put it in your basket. Okay. Yeah. This one, oh, big pa, oh. Basket. Yeah, let's go. Let's get more. Are you happy? Wag yan. Come here. Ito, baby, ulo ko. This one, oh. So pretty, oh. Smooth. No, it's rough kaya. Ito, baby, hold mo. Dito, the red one only. Yeah, hold mo, ha. Hold mo, mommy will cut it. Hold tight. Okay, put it in your basket. Yeah, that's yours. Isha akin daw. Ito, this one.
Mommy,
This one.
the bag.
Okay, oh, salo mo. Lapit pa. Salo mo, ha. Wow! Oh, come here. Let's get more.
1, 2,
Dami na ba? Halika.
3.
Dito. Ang saya niya. Nagsabi niya, pa. Ayun, may malaki doon, oh, sa gilid. Tingnan mo, ayun, oh, doon, oh.
Look mo na.
Oh, come here. Come here. Ang daming bees, oh. Put it in your basket.
Magbigay ako ng isang maliit para kay Bebe.
It's okay. It's okay, Shro.
Ayan pa, ayan. Paano mo sa kanya?
Ito, hold mo to. Hold tight. Okay, let's go. Let's get more.
Are you happy?
Are you happy, baby? Are you happy? Yes. Look, oh, so big, my love. Look. Okay.
Can I see? Wow!
Nam.
Wow!
Baby, this one pa. Look.
I did it, Mommy.
I did it, mommy.
One.
Ito, this one. Look, look at this one.
Catch,
You want
catch.
this? Okay, Isha will catch it. Mommy will get it.
Catch it.
Here. Oh, here pa. Here. Ika na, baka madami na yan.
Papa.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Let's go.
Can I see? Can I see your sock? Wow!
Kaya.
Wow.
Kaya.
Lumulubog yung paa niya sa putik. Hello! Hello! Taranan! Very good.
Mommy. Hugging.
This one, oh, red, oh. You want that? Okay.
Red.
Oh, hold that.
Red daw, red.
Okay, hold that.
Mm.
Mommy.
Ito pa, oh. This one pa, oh.
Count your strawberry. How many strawberry you have already?
Two.
Mm.
Yung iba, parang wow, ang galing ah. Put it on your basket. Yay!
Yum.
Yum! Galing mo po. Tuwon-tuwa. Oh, gasa mo pa siya, ma. Feeling ko kulang to.
Ito, red na red.
Tingnan mo naman. Oh, nasa na? Nasa na?
Ay, amazing!
Ano nangyari? Ano na yung cherry?
Buti inaabot
Oh,
pa.
tapo-tapo na yan.
Throw.
Dami dito.
Throw.
Dami pa dito.
Very good.
Okay.